Hey guys, Jim from Import Image Racing and welcome back to the channel. On this week's Product Peek, we have the highly anticipated Noble titanium dual exit exhaust for the 2022 to present WRX. Let's get to it. Ever since the release of the Noble single exit titanium, you guys have been asking for its dual outlet counterpart. Well, here it is. This exhaust is the same great fitment and quality as the single exit, but comes with two high-flow mufflers to equalize the look from both the driver and passenger side. Construction is a 3-inch titanium mid-pipe that divides into two 2.5-inch straight-through mufflers, both with 4.5-inch tips. This exhaust comes equipped with all of the clamps and hardware that's ready to mount, including a brand new donut gasket to mate with your factory J-pipe. Installation is easy, with multiple adjustments allowing plenty of adjustability for clearance underneath the vehicle. Plus, the kit weighs in at around 16 pounds with all of the hardware and hangers included. This exhaust can look and fit as good as it wants, but the big question is, how does it sound? Thanks for taking a look at the Noble titanium dual exit exhaust for the 2022 to present Subaru WRX. For thousands of parts just like this, be sure to hit up importimageracing.com for all of the best deals on the web and in the world, and we'll catch you on the next one.